guys, welcome to my video. I'm sorry that I didn't make videos for a whole year or year. And let's go buy some Korean snacks in this Korean game. I don't know what to buy, but my wallet is just this much, so let's get something. Ooh, look at this. How about let's get ramen? Ooh, this all look good. Okay, what ramen do you want? How about the carbonara ramen? Yeah. Yes, Mama, do I have school tomorrow? Yay! Hey guys, I can make videos tomorrow. So, just wait for tomorrow. Which one should I buy? Mango Aid or more? I think I wanted this Americano. And this one. After that, let's get some snacks. What's in here? Let's get this. Sausage, hot dog. Okay, let's get some snacks. This is the snacks section. Ooh, that's a lot. Sweet peanuts. That doesn't look good. Ooh, Cheetos. Let's get that. So, after that, we're gonna buy baked sweet potato. Yeah, I don't want sweet potato. Fish cake. I feel so good. Yeah, I will just order now. Wait, guys. I think I want more. Yeah. I have wallet. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Melon ice cream. Yeah, I want mochi. Let's go. Hello. Hello, people. Please. Let's go, guys. Let's get the carbonara. What is that? Yay. Hey, what did you do? I want to keep it small. What now? Well, what am I gonna do? Oh, here. This? What the heck? Guys, sorry for the but we got a chopsticks now. Okay, I'm gonna eat over here. So let's get the ramen. Wow, look at that. After that, my ice cup with a drink. That looks good. And then mochi. Let's try. It's called. Maybe I could have brain freeze. Let's go to my inventory and get all of this. Let's go eat. Good. Hot sausage bar. Oh, hit the sausage. Okay. Here we go. Here. Now let's wait, guys. Yay, it's done. Okay, let's go. I fill it out. I'm already eating this, though it's really hot. Yay! Hey, give me some. How about the Cheetos? You can see that Cheetos are there. What does it taste like? It is good. Okay. One more bite. Let's eat now. That's good. Oh no, it's done. Come on. Okay, let's eat my sausage. Let's eat it. That's sad. Okay. Mochi. Nice and brinky. It's the Cheeto. It is really hot Cheeto. But I cannot read Chinese, but I only can read the Cheeto. Okay, let's drink more. It's good. Wait, how about I buy more things that is kind of good? Let's go. I still got this much. So let's go buy some snacks. Okay, let's go. A Bulgogi hot, Bulgogi hot bar. There. And no, I don't like that. There. Yo, Yakult. Yakult is from the Philippines, you know that? I want Yakult. What's this? Pork ball? Oh. Ouch. Wait, guys. Got to get a pillow. My back hurt. That's why. What's this? Why is there this thing? What's in here? Come on. Okay, let's get more snacks even though I already got. Everything is so expensive in here. How about I get the Ferrero Rocher? Okay, I spend all of my money. Good things. And it's yummy. How about I buy fish cake? Give me fish cake. Yes. Okay. Wait. I need more ramen. What ramen am I gonna get, guys? What's this? Chabaghetti. Yeah, that doesn't taste good. Green ramen. Shrimp ramen. What is this? Tempura udon? Huh? Chicken ramen. Okay, let's just get this one. The King Ramen. Well, I'm gonna spend all of my money. Ooh! Look at this! Well, I already got bread, so no need. Go purchase it, guys. Hey! I buy a lot of things, guys. Okay, now let's put the King Ramen here. Hot Bulgogi bar. Hot Bulgogi bar. Here's sausage. Yay! Let's go, guys. Let's just see. It's just one bite. It tastes good, but it's just one bite. Hi Ferrero. What's this? I just want to buy anything now. Hey. Let's try this. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, let's go here. The king size. Yes, it's the king size. Oh, yummy. What do you want? Don't tell me ramen. Oh, yummy. Yay, yummy. This is king size and it's yummy. I get to chill out. I'm eating a lot. Well, wow. That's good. It's yummy. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. I cannot finish it all, and maybe I will have diabetes. You can have some. You're Chinese? Oh, you're Korean. What's Chinese? I didn't finish that, but I'm gonna get the whole thing. Yeah, actually the whole thing. It's too much. Yummy. How about the chocolate bread? Oh, chocolate cream bread, yeah. Let's taste it. Oh, you can see the inside. It's yummy. Wait, how about I use this? I will put this Ferrero Rocher in my bread. That's my bread here. I cannot I don't know what's happening. But this actually tastes good. Oh, what did I do? Yummy. 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 Let's go. I'm very thirsty. I need some drink because I'm thirsty. Like you called, so let's drink it. This doesn't taste like the same from the Philippines local. Well, but it's fine. Let's go. Oh, I got money. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to go to get Korean street food. Let's go. I'm out of here. Thank you for the taxi. Okay, guys, I'm done in my taxi. Now I'm going to go to the street food that it told me. Some Korean guy told me this is the best street food. You can see that. What's in here? Ooh, that looks something good. Oh, Robux. Oh. How about this? I'm gonna get something. Let's go. Here. This is mine. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna get something. Yeah. Bowl. Nice cake. Ooh. Look at this. Oh, this. And this. And this. And this. And this. And this. That's a lot. Ooh, look at this. This. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Hey, where's mine? Where's my thing? Let's do this. The cream sauce. Let's try that. Let's go, guys. To my seat. Up we go. Or sauce. Let's go, guys. Maybe in my next video, we're gonna eat Jollibee inside of the game. Yes, Jollibee. Sweet potato rice cake, yes. Long rice cake, these. I'm getting a lot. These. Ooh, that's cool. No, where's mine? Bruh. I got to do this over and over again. Are you kidding me? Is this game kidding me? One more time. There. Okay. I'm not gonna press that button anymore. Because I think it's going to remove my things again. Ooh, you can see that. Let's cook it. I got some food here too. I want to eat it. Look, guys. Ooh, this looks good. Ooh. It's actually chicharron. Well, let's just eat. It's good. It's really good. I'm not actually joking, guys. It is like, yeah, like noodles, like in the convenience store. It is yummy. Let's go. The good thing that I have this. Maybe I cannot finish it. So, yeah, I'm kind of getting full, guys. Okay. I'm just gonna finish it, or no. This is too much. My belly's full. Yeah. I'm out of here. The convenience store gave me bigger full because of the screen size. So, bye-bye, guys. And thank you for watching my video. And please like and subscribe to let me make more video, guys. But next time, I'm gonna eat Jollibee or KFC or McDonald's. So just be ready to find the new invention. Let's go, guys. Taxi!